Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Today I will be talking about the joining kit in the Big Four. So there are four companies which are EY, KPMG and PwC Deloitte, which comes under the Big Four category. So in this video we will talk about what are the joining kit and what all are the things which we receive from our company. So as you know, for the obvious reason, current situation, all the employees are working from home, and things have been going great with all these firms, and these companies are not facing any issues for carrying on their work smoothly. So to continue these work smoothly, all these companies are sending joining kits and some other peripherals to all the current past employees and all the employees who will be joining the company. So when will you receive the joining kit from the company? So after all the documentation and after all the onboardings, you will be receiving a joining kit at your home address, which you will be providing. So for example, if your joining date is let's say March 10th, so you'll receiving your joining kit maybe before a week before your joining date, or in some cases it may get late and you will be receiving 1 or 2 days late. But in maximum cases you will be receiving your joining kits before the date only. So all these joining kits will include all the necessary peripherals, some manuals, laptops and other things which we will be discussing on further. So for you get one thing in mind, that you will be receiving joining kit only after a successful all the successful documentation and all the necessary requirements which a person or an employee is asked to do. If they have any doubt, they will ask you, and until they are satisfied, your joining kit will not be dispatched. So all those documentation includes your uh, first of all government ID proof original, and the second one will be your study proof, your all your mark sheets and all other certificates which you have completed. They also give some time if you have been currently pursuing some courses, but that is fine. That is only for the courses which you have been currently pursuing only. So getting further in the video, things included in the joining kit. So as it is said, the joining kit, these are all the things which will help you doing your work easily in the coming days or after you joining. So in the joining kit, first the main part is the laptop. You will be receiving a laptop from your company. These laptops are made of Lenovo or HP. These can vary from company to company. These are very good laptops, which with the and with the laptop also you will receive its charger and other necessary peripherals. And along with these, you will be receiving some headphones or earphones, so that you can for the meetings you can easily use them. And going further, you will be also receiving some SIM cards for your mobile, and in some cases you will be also receiving some dongle, so that you can get a high speed internet connection. Further, after this joining kit is arrived, you will join your training session from the laptop, and you will get all the passwords from there only. And when the password are received, you will be working on your new laptops only. You are not allowed to share your laptop with anybody else in the home. It is for you only, and you are not allowed to do any personal things up to some limit. So after the joining kit are received, you will be joining your trainings from these laptops only. And when your work started, you will also get a facility to avail some extra monitors, so that it will be helpful for carrying on your work very easily. or other things include sometimes some companies also include one monitor or two monitors also. You can request your seniors so that it can be easily uh, dispatched to your home address. Things have been like this only, and for my company also they have sent two monitors. I have a Lenovo laptop, and in addition I have availed keyboard and mouse also. So for home desk setup, uh, get one thing in mind: everything you are doing, purchasing, all these things are easily reimbursable from the company. And you just have to mention on their software, and it will be easily reimbursed from in your salary. So with this, I hope you will get a small hint what the joining kit's all about. uh, just keep all your documentation ready so that it will not create any problem later. uh, and all the upcoming people who will be joining these big four, so I wish them all the good luck. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.